Hello everyone, my name is Owen Sallier, and the career that I have chosen to research for this assignment is a licensed marriage and family therapist. So what does a licensed marriage and family therapist do? Licensed marriage and family therapists typically counsel couples and families who are dealing with different challenges that are harming their personal relationships. They use the wellness model as opposed to the illness model to counsel couples and help them understand the strengths in their relationships and build upon those, as opposed to focusing on the weaknesses. They observe how the couples interact with each other and evaluate how to resolve those challenges. And they assist families with dysfunctional problems and challenges such as behavioral problems, drug problems, and different things like that. And so what education is needed to become a licensed marriage and family therapist? Typically, an undergraduate degree in counseling, social work, or sociology or psychology is required. And then following that degree, a master's degree in counseling or marriage and family therapy is required. Then after that, more schooling is required, typically 2 years of postgraduate supervised work and more examination, as well as more licensing examinations and continuing education on the subject. And so my 4-year plan in psychology is to work closely with the marriage and family counseling major. My minor is actually in marriage and family studies, and so I plan to work closely with some of the professors there so I can have some firsthand experience with the professors and talking with them and interacting with them about what I can do to get further in that field. And I also want to find some internship opportunities within the field outside of school when I'm not on track so that I can figure out what it would be like in the field as opposed to just hearing experiences. And so the reason I chose psychology as my major instead of marriage and family studies is because I've always known I've wanted to help people in my career, and I feel as though psychology would give me the best preparation for that. I've always been sort of a counselor to my friends and helping them through their challenges and struggles. And I really feel like I can go into a career doing so with the proper training. And what was really fun is that I found that all of my reasons for choosing the psychology major were listed in table 13.1 in chapter 13. Except not all of the reasons were the top 5, but they were scattered throughout the list. But that's everything. Yeah, I'm excited to continue learning about the subject.